Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset Moto G06 power smartphone. This is helpful for those who have forgot their password, pin or pattern. As you can see, wrong pin, try again. You can see, as you can see. Okay, if we try to power the smartphone, press the volume and power button together and try to power the smartphone. So you can see, enter your pin to power off or restart. Okay, so listen carefully. First press and hold the volume up and power button together. Just press and hold it, do not release. And when the screen turn off, okay, now after a few seconds release and press and hold the volume down and power button together, and you can see. Now volume key is to move up and down and power button to confirm. Now you are in fast boot mode. So here go to recovery mode and confirm. So you can see no command. Now here press the power and volume up button to go in Android recovery mode. So now you are in Android recovery mode. Here volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here go to wipe data factory reset and confirm, and you can see wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. Go to factory data reset and confirm it, and you can see on bottom data wipe complete. Now simply reboot system now. And guys, after hard set might take some time to boot up the device, and after hard set again ask for password, pin or pattern. Use the Google account to unlock the phone. So guys, this is the method to hard set Moto G06 power smartphone really easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.